Hello children, in the series of exponent lesson I have I'm back with the next video. So here are the four laws of exponent, how to work on the exponent with the help of these formulas you can easily learn. Understand? So it is the formulas law number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first one is from the multiplication, means if two numbers are in the multiplication form. Suppose that 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 6. Then what we will write? We will not write 2 times 2. We will write 1 time 2 to the power 2 plus 6 means 2 to the power 8. Understand? This is the answer. This is the mean of first formula, a upon b to the power m and multiplied by a upon b multiplied to the power n, that gives a upon b to the power m plus n. But one thing is important here, that is the base should be equal. 2 2, this formula is not valuable on 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 4. You can't solve it. This is wrong. The formula is valuable for both base is should be equal, like look at here, a upon b and a upon b. Sorry. Understand? Next is division formula, a upon b to the power m divided by a upon b to the power n. Understand? There m and n are powers and a and b are non-zero rational number, means that these numbers are not zero. So suppose that 3 to the power 3 and divided by 3 to the power 2. So we will write 3 to the power 3 minus 2 means 3 to the power 1 means 3. It is the answer. Understand? Third number, a upon b to the power m to the power n means 2 to the power 2 is power 3. So we will multiply both. So what we will write? 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3. So it always means 2 3 ja 6. And 2 2 ja 6 means 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 32 2 ja 64. Answer would be 64. Understand? And the fourth one is if the same power is applied on the different number, means 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. Look at here, powers are equal, 2 and 2. So what we will write? We will write 2 multiplied by 3 and whole power 2, because understand, base should be different but the power is equal, so we will write in single power on both number. And when we will multiply 2 3 ja 6 to the power 2, 6 6 ja means 6 multiplied by 6 means 36. Understand? It is the meaning of this law. So I have explained fourth law maybe nicely. It is the first question for you. 4 to the minus 3. I explained you in previous video. If the power or exponent is in the minus, so we will reciprocal the base. So 4 will be right, 1 upon 4, and power should be positive. 1 upon 4 to the power 3. And here one thing is important. 1 upon 4 to the power 3 means we will write 1 upon 4 3 times. 1 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4. So 1 venja 1, but 4 4 ja 16 and 16 4 ja 64. This is the answer. Understand? Next one is 1 upon 2 to the power minus 5. So we will change it. 1 upon 2 will become 2 and the power would be positive. So 2 to the power 5 means we will write 2 5 times. This is 5 times. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. It is the answer. Understand? There are 3 questions. Simplify and express with positive exponents. Understand? This is very short form. That's why I am solving the question for you on the paper. 5/3 to the power 2 and 5/3 to the power 2. Law number 4. If the base are equal and the powers are, if the base are equal, so the power would be add. So 2, 5/3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 upon power 3 to the 5/3 to the power 2. So 2 and 2 will be add. 2 plus 2. It gives 5/3 to the power 4. Understand? हो गया. That's no need to write the say full answer. It is enough. Here 5/6 to the power 6 multiplied by 5/6 to the power minus 7. As you know, power would be add. So 5/6 to the power 6 plus minus 7. Understand? So what will happen? It will give, we will subtract from 7 to 6. Here add, one minus will do it. 6 minus 7 means 5/6. 7 में से 6 1 and the 7 is greater, so minus will be put here. So we will reciprocal it. 5/6 will change into 6/5. That is, or 1 power is not valuable on the any number, because 6/5 to the power 1 means 6/5. It is the answer. Understand? And last one, minus 7/9 multiplied by minus 7/11 minus 7 upon simple. So its power means 1 power. So minus 7/9 power nothing means power 1. So what we will write? Here are 7 3 times, but we will write only 1 time. We have minus 8, then plus minus 11, and lastly plus 1. Plus 1. You know, the both minus number will be add. So minus 11 and a minus 8 will be add. So that will become minus 19 and plus 1. So when we subtract, it will give minus 18. Understand? So look at here, minus 9 to minus 7/9 to the power minus 18, and power is in negative form, so we will reciprocal it. So it will become 9/7 to the power plus 18, and minus will not remain in the denominator, so we will write 9 minus 9/7 to the power 18. It is solved. I hope you understand whatever I explained. Try to learn it and watch the video 2-3 times, then start solving the question. Understand? So it is the homework for you. This is first question related to the first one, and this is the second question related to the second one. Okay, what I explained 3 questions to depend on these questions. Goodbye for today.